welcome to One Girl Creates. Don't fall off your chairs. It is a Friday and I'm actually releasing a Friday Sews. I know it's been a while, isn't it? So I thought I could try and tell you what I've been making over the last few months, but quite frankly, there's that much that I don't think I could fit it into 3 videos without boring you to tears. So I thought, you know what, just start again, Jen. So I thought I would show you just what I've been making this week. The first thing that I've been making is lots of earrings. I had a bit of an evening last Saturday and Sunday, and I just felt like making earrings, and because I'd got some earring backs for my birthday, out of my birthday money, and because I only wear studs. I only wear studs. I don't feel comfortable wearing danglies in any way, shape or form. So I have danglies that I've made before, and I was just like, nah, don't really wear them, find them uncomfortable. So I've been making myself a lot of studs. So I thought I'd show you what I've been making. So the first lot that I made were out of resin, and as you know, I've got lots of different resin colouring, I suppose would be the way to put it. And I made myself quite a few resin earrings. Now please excuse the what they're sitting on. I need to make myself a nice proper earring stand of some sort, but at the moment they're on cardboard because it's the easiest way for me to be able to see what I've got and to store them. So my lovely little earring holder at the moment. So the first ones you can see are these ones here, so like dolphins, some just oval ones, but I've done every shape and colour you can imagine, lots of glitter, a couple of bow ones. These ones are a polymer clay, and I will show you some more of them. Obviously you can see them on this side as well. So we've got some hearts, stars, lots of different things, you know, stars there, hearts there, bigger ones, teardrops, squares. I mean, I've even got 2 of some of the same colour, so I don't really necessarily need them. These are just some nice ball shaped ones, and then just some ovally ones. Another one, round circly type ones, squares. This is a mixture. This is a circle. This is just a mixture of 2 different micas, and these are my old ones that I got from Pandora, so forget them. And then, another lot of hearts there. Hearts, bows there. And then there are also, there are also ones that I've made out of polymer clay. So I decided, let's see what else I can make. And I'd seen some fun ones on Etsy, and I thought, and Pinterest, I searched on Pinterest earrings and I found some fun ones, and so I decided to start playing, and I've made some of these. Now these ones, as far as I'm concerned, are uber cute. The kids in my class thought they were fantastic. So these actually go perfectly with one of my dresses. There is a royal blue dress that I've got that's got this colour hearts. Why do I keep saying hearts today? This colour flower. With yellow centres, so it matches perfectly. My little froggies, can you see them? I just copied someone else's design, but I am so proud of them. They're so cute. They're all topped off with resin as well, so they're waterproof. They're not going to be a problem in the rain or whatever. Ladybirds, sheep. I mean, look at the sheep. Narwhals. Kids like narwhals. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Clouds, butterflies. And then, as I am known as Panda at Scouts when I do go, these are some panda earrings, some rainbows because I love rainbows, to keep the kids entertained, and for my son mainly, Among Us. If those of you who don't know what Among Us is a computer game that kids play, and they've got to find the imposter. So if you've ever seen t-shirts with imposter on it, that's what that's about. Some little piggies, how cute. Cakes, some Mickey Mouse. It doesn't want to stay out the right way. Pencil ones, again the kids love those. Tortoises, and look at these little adorable penguins. How cute are they? And last but not least, I have on, I don't know if I can show you it and you can see it, some strawberries. So yeah, that's the first thing I've been making is lots of earrings, and I'm really enjoying the fact that I've got lots of different earrings to wear. I have been wearing my Pandora earrings now for about 8 or 9 years and not really changed them apart from when I'm going out. And I love them, but I'm a bit bored of them. So I thought, yeah. So the next thing that I've made, I'm sure there's more than this. I really am. I've been really crafty lately. The next thing that I've made, I just need to get a mechanism for. but I have made myself a resin clock. So obviously I've done the numbers in pink, and I've done the back in like a tealy bluey colour, and as you can see it will go with my living room. I've got pink chairs, I've got teal chairs, I've got both in my curtains, so this is due to go in the living room. I just need to buy the mechanism for it and hang it up, but I'm ever so proud of that because that was my first attempt at it. There are a few mistakes here and there, but I thought, do you know what, for a first attempt at that, that's not bad. So but yeah, there's my little clock. I'll show you when it's got the mechanism on it and everything else, but I'm really pleased with that one. And last but not least, I have made what I'm wearing. So I, as you all know, I have quite a lot of Tilly and the Button patterns that I really like, and however much I keep looking for different dress patterns, my go-to is always the indigo because it's so comfortable. It's so usable for school, for uni. I can use it for both. I don't feel like I'm overdressed in uni. I don't feel I'm underdressed in school, and I find them really useful. And so I like to buy lots of viscose and make indigo dresses. I can't, you know, there are a few dresses that I've got that I make or I've made, and I really do like them, whatever, but the indigo dress is my go-to. Now this is actually what I've made today. So I finished teaching practice last week, and I've spent a week of either doing certain things for uni, or I've done some visits to schools, because that's what you do when you're looking for a job. You go and visit the school first, and then you have to go and apply and all that sort of stuff. So I've got another one later on today. So I've done a few of those, and I've done absolutely nothing on my dissertation that I should be doing. But hey ho, because I've been crafting, I've been enjoying myself. So, sorry, my parting gift from the children was a cold. So if I can move this chair back a bit, the table back a bit. God, I can't get my words out again today, can I? So I have made this, let's see, can I angle you down a bit? Yep, I have made this lovely greeny coloured indigo dress with owls on. Let's see if I can grab you and move you closer to see the owls. Sorry for flushing my bust at you, I do apologise. But yeah, so little owls on it. And again, I've really found that, like, when I've been teaching, anything that's got anything interesting, like the earrings, it's a talking point for the kids. So I really do like to have fun things. My most commented on dress by students, by teachers, is my zebra dress, my mustard yellow zebra dress. And the kids love it, the teachers love it, it's a bit of fun, and I really enjoy making a little bit quirky. I wouldn't say I'm really big quirky, but a little bit quirky dresses and things. So I'm going to be looking for more sort of fabric like this, I think, anyway. But yes, I've made this indigo dress. It is, oh dear, hang on, let's see. I've done my usual, I put some darts in here, hopefully you can see, just to bring it in a little bit. And then, yeah, just did the old elastic trick in the waistband just to get it in. I mean, it takes me, I think it was 2 hours and 10 minutes to make this. I'd already cut it out, but actually sewing it together was 2 hours and 10 minutes. I fully lined, so I've done a self-face top. I really don't like facing, so I thought, I used to do this all the time when I made dresses. I used to do self-face tops, and I thought, oh, do you know what? You know, I like the one that they've done on the Raj one, and I thought I'd do the same again, and I just like it. I should do it. I think I'm going to be doing it with all my dresses because I find it so much more comfortable than having a facing that can move. So I highly recommend it if you don't like facings, and I think there's a lot of us who don't. Definitely cut out 2 of the top pattern, and then sew them together separately as you would do normally, and then attach them at the neck like you would with the facing. And then everything else you just join to both. So the sleeve arm side, you join that to both, and the waistbands, you join that to both. So I highly recommend doing it that way if you don't like facings, and I think it just looks so much neater. Obviously I've understitched this as well, hopefully you can see. Can you see? Yeah, I think you can just about. I've understitched it so it lies really nicely and flat. Just do the normal things that you would do, but just do 2 of the top and you will find it's so much more comfortable. It's short sleeved, not too long, not as long as I've taken off, I think about 3 inches off the sleeve of this, because it normally comes like down to there on me, and it's just a bit too long. I find that this is quite a good length for me. So yeah, I've made that today, literally made that this morning. So I thought I would just show you what I've been making, and hopefully, she says, I might hopefully be able to get back to some sort of regular schedule. I am very nearly finished my degree. I am looking for jobs, and hopefully I can get some sort of routine into my life and not chopping and changing. So, and you know, obviously at school, while I'll be working hard, like when I'm working at proper school, like as a job, but I won't actually have to be doing the extra work that goes on top of being a student. So assignments while you're in school and all that sort of stuff. So hopefully I will be a little bit less, famous last words. Every teacher that I know is probably shouting at me saying, Jen, you're completely bonkers if you think that. But hopefully a little bit less stressed and a little bit less bouncing from one thing to the other just to find time to fit things in. Because at the moment, obviously, there's loads of assignments and stuff still due to be done and all that sort of thing. So a bit more regularity in my day-to-day life would be lovely. But yeah, so anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed my very brief catch up, my very brief Friday sews. I hope you are all well. I am still making buttons and everything else. So if you would like to purchase any of my buttons, then I will add the link down below to my shop. I am also going to try and put them on Etsy as well. It's all these things that just seem to take so much time, so much time. So I am trying to do it. I may even, you never know, I may even add some earrings and stuff on there as well. I've got a few sewing designs in my head that I'd like to make out of polymer clay. So yeah, keep your eyes out, and hopefully I can put something on there that you might like. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this little whistle stop video. And hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully I will be back next week at about the same time, and you can have a Friday sews video on a Friday, 2 weeks in a row. Keep everything crossed. You never know. It's a shocker, but you never know, it might actually happen. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed what you've been watching, please do subscribe. Please leave me a comment. I answer everybody, and I really would love to talk to you. So thank you very much for watching, and bye.